Right on the surface of this board, this is a mark. We can learn how to move it to the surface, to the spot. Forward, left, and then keep down. It's a little fast. You can change it slow. Keep down. When it is near enough, we can change the mode, step mode. Press 1, press OK. Now it moves step by step by step. Keep moving. Down. We can press this button to let this rotary speed up. Down. Right. Down. When this step is done, we can move to the next step. Make all this direction to 0 using a combination key. These two press together at the same time, and press these two buttons together at the same time to make Z to 0, like this. Okay, we can move to the next step. Using a USB device, we has write the NC file into it before, so now we can insert this USB device into the device. Thank you. Press this button, run, pause, delete. Select USB disk file, press OK. And select the file we had write it into it. This file is what we want. Press OK. And now you can change the speed, such as 2,500, 2,500. This is the speed scale. You can also change it, rewrite it, and keep pressing this button. Now it worked automatically. Now you can see the speed is not very fast. We can change it using this button.